Okay, so today we are talking about um, for testing and preparing basically for Onekotan. So basically, what we're going to be doing for basically preparing for Onekotan, just to prepare for the cold and the geography of Onekotan, we're going to be going through several tests. And so our first test is going to most likely during uh, probably December, is going to Fraser Park. Now, if you don't know where Fraser Park is, I can just show you right now. But here it is. It's in the mountains. It's very, very high up, and this is a very good example. And this would be very uh, a good preparedness for Onekotan because it's kind of in the winter. It's kind of similar. I'll just show you the weather usually what it is like. Now, right now, of course, it's nothing like Onekotan, or it's kind of close, but not really. Um, so what it looks like, it's kind of similar. You can see 54.26, pretty cold. It's basically the closest place that we have that snows. So my location to Fraser Park is actually pretty close. 1 hour, 12 minutes. So that's not that far, to be honest. Now, however, we will be doing other tests as well. It just won't be Fraser Park. In February, we are going to Denver, and we're going to, I believe it's Colorado Springs. I'm pretty sure. And it's already cold there. It's extremely cold there, especially in the winter. 43, 18, very cold. We're going there in the winter, or no, we're going there in not December. We're going there in February. So 45 and 20. So pretty cold. So this is how we're basically going to prepare for all of these um, things, and we might do some other tests like this weekend. Thinking to go to the top of Ashland. Found a new high point actually. There's Ashland Mountain, and then west of Ashland, we haven't named it yet, but west of Ashland there's a taller mountain at about 1,800 feet. And in the winter there, it does get about 5 to 10 degrees colder. So there is a chance of snow there. We don't know. If it's like 5 degrees. Here's the average weather for here. So here's what it is. You can see not that cold at all whatsoever. But if you minus 5 degrees, kind of colder. And yeah, but it kind of actually changes because some people say that the average is, um, in the 50s, lows in the 50s, but that's not really true. Usually it's more like, more colder than that. So what I'm thinking is doing something like that, going to the top of Ashland, and hopefully that would work. So basically, we're gonna be preparing a lot for this. We have a lot more days. I'm probably gonna stop doing videos every single day. I might do videos Saturday and Sunday, and I can't really do it anymore. It's the end of spring breaks. I mean, not spring break, winter break soon. So then I can't do it. So here we go. Here's some examples. At cold nights, it can get to 33, but if we change it, we can go. Here's the thing. This isn't really that helpful because it doesn't. It wouldn't be. It just wouldn't be that helpful. We need to find so 283. I'm assuming Okay, so let's try Freedom Park if it's any colder. I'm just seeing examples because I can't really show you. I'm trying to find the highest point. Where's um you know what, this is a pretty good example. Here you go. This is kind of a good example, 60 and 42. Um kind of, not really the best example. But anyway, enough about that. Onekotan, what winter clothes would we need? Well, we're gonna find all the basically jackets. And then there you go. You have heavy jackets that you can get a ton of. You need all these things. Now the thing is, you don't need extremely heavy jackets. Do be reminded that if you're going in the summer, the average weather for Onekotan is not that bad. Of course, it is still extremely cold. I would consider it cold. 49 and 46. But of course, we're gonna be going to the top of the that mountain. Let's just say we're going to see how it's actually it's more like the same temperature. I'm surprised by that. I didn't thought it was colder. That's what I thought, but of course I might be wrong. Let's see. There's some places obviously it's colder. Yeah, there we go. See, it's colder in some places. You never know when you need it. So of course we're gonna be extremely prepared. Now, maybe it will be a warm season, and maybe it will be like really warm. We won't even need any jackets. But it's always good to be extra prepared in these situations. And so we're also going to try other experiments. I'm not really sure which experiments we can do. We might do, you know, thinking. But anyway, guys, that's basically it for this video because I need to go. So yeah.